Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. Today I am explaining class 10th progressions. It is a CBSE syllabus and also useful to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, so my channel name is Maths with Balakrishna. If anybody not subscribed till now, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, today I am going to explaining progressions. Okay, before we go to the progressions, know about that sequence. So in the chapter first I am giving the introduction is sequence, next progressions, next types of progressions, okay, sequence means the digits or the numbers which are arranged in a order. They follow the one particular rule. Okay, that order is called sequencing. Okay, for example 1 3 5 7 9 and so on. Okay, this order is called sequence. Why? Here 1 3 5 7 9, these digits are follow the one rule. What is the rule here? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 and so on. Okay, these numbers are follow the is 2n plus 1 rule. 2n plus 1 rule. So in the place of n we can put 0, that is 2 into 0 plus 1, that is how much? 1. In the place of n we can put 1, 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. In the place of n we can put 2, 2 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so this is called sequencing. Here now we can take another way also. Another example 1 4 9 16 25 and so on. Okay, 1 square, 4 2 square, 9 3 square, 16 4 square, 25 5 square, 36 6 square and so on. That means these numbers are follow the rule is n square. Next another example 1 8 27 64 125 and so on. These numbers are follow the rule is 1 cube, 8 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and so on. That is n cube. That is n cube. Okay, so next we take another example 3 4 6 9 13 and so on. Here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 and so on. So this is called sequence. Sequence means the digits are the numbers which is follow the one particular rule. That order is called sequencing. Okay, next progressions. Progressions means what? The sequence, the digits are the numbers. The digits are numbers or any constant number is adding or subtract or multiply or divide with preceding term. That sequence is called frequency. Okay, in a sequency the digits are the numbers which are arranged in a order. How they are arranged? A constant term is adding or subtract or multiply or divide its preceding term except the first term. Okay, is called what? Progression. Okay, so for example we can take that 2 4 6 8 10 12 and so on. Here 4 how we can get? The 2 is adding the first number 2 plus 2. Next 6 how we can get? 4 plus 2. Here what is the constant number here? 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 and so on. So this is called progression. Next we can take another example is also 4 18 8 16 32 64 and so on. So here 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, A 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128. So here which number here constant number 2? Here the 2 is multiplied with preceding term. Okay, here 2 is adding the preceding term. Okay, that sequence is called progression. Means a constant number is adding or subtract or multiply or divide with preceding term. That sequence is called progressions. Next, the progressions are dividing into three types. Progressions are dividing into three types. There are arithmetic progression, next geometric progression, next harmonic progression. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. So here what is called arithmetic progression? A progression which having the digits or the numbers which are arranged in order. Okay, a constant number is adding or subtract its preceding term. Okay, is called arithmetic progression. That means in a sequence the difference between any two consecutive terms is same. Okay, that is called arithmetic progression. Okay, geometric progression means the common difference. The common difference is denoted by D. Okay, in a progression the elements, the numbers are called term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on, nth term. Okay, so geometric progression means what? The common ratio is same. Common ratio means what? We take the ratio between any two consecutive terms is same. Okay, we can get the constant. That constant is called common ratio. So here the common ratio is what? R. Okay, arithmetic progression means what? A progression which having the terms, the difference between any two consecutive terms is same. Okay, a progression, the common difference is same. That common difference is same of the progression is called arithmetic progression. Common difference means what? The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. That constant is called common difference. Geometric progression means what? A progression which having the terms. Okay, we take the common ratio is same between the terms. Common ratio means what? The ratio of any two consecutive terms is constant. That constant is called common ratio. Okay, so in the 10th class we can get arithmetic progression and geometric progression. In higher section we can get harmonic progression. Harmonic progression is nothing but just it is reverse of arithmetic progression. Okay, so here arithmetic progression, the common difference formula is what here? T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or and so on, Tn minus 1 Tn, Tn minus 1. Okay, next common ratio is T2 by T1, next T3 by T2 and so on, Tn by Tn minus 1. Okay, so here the general form of arithmetic progression. Here the first term, let us take the first term is A. Arithmetic progression, the first term is A. Okay, here arithmetic progression means what? The common difference is same in a progression is called arithmetic progression. Here what is the general form? A plus D. Okay, first term and second term. Okay, so what the common difference here? D. Next A plus 2D, next A plus 3D, next A plus 4D, A plus 5D and so on. So its nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D and so on. The nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so for example here the first term is 3, A is 3, the common difference is 2. The common difference is 2. So what the arithmetic progression here? 3 plus 2 5, 3 comma 3 plus 2 5 comma 7 9 11 13 and so on. If the first term is 3, the common difference is 2. So the next term is 3 plus 2 5, next 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11 and so on. This is the arithmetic progression. Okay, so next, so here the nth term of arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this nth term or last term or last term. So the general form of arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. The last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here the common difference is adding or subtract its preceding term. Okay, so this is the general form of arithmetic progression. So sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. How we can do that? So sum of n terms, that means Sn. So that is a plus d, first term, second term, a plus 2d and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. We can do that reverse also. Okay, so that means common difference. Okay, so here that is a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 1 in 1 n minus 2 into d and so on plus a. Here we can adding these two sum. So Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Here a plus n minus 1 into d, that is here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, that is here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next a plus 2d plus a plus n minus 3 into d, that is here a 2a plus n minus 1 into d and so on. We can get as 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many times we can adding this one? N times. So that is here 2Sn is equal n of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 2Sn, that is 2 here multiple, it is going to develop and divide. So Sn is equal n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of n terms formula. So our another formula is also there. So Sn we can write as S1 n by 2. 2a we can add as a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but what? Nth term or last term. So we can write as Sn is equal n by 2 of a plus l. So sum of n terms in AP, arithmetic progression. What is the formula here? N by 2 of a plus l. Next, geometric progression. So geometric progression means what? A progression which having the common ratio is same. Okay, common ratio means what? The ratio between any two consecutive terms is constant. That constant is called common ratio. So here the common ratio is denoted by what? R. So R is equal T2 by T1, second term by first term, or we can take that A2 by A1. Okay, and so on. So here an by an minus 1. Okay, here the general form of common ratio is ar square and so on, ar to the power of n minus 1. So this is the general form of geometric progression. What? ar square and so on, ar to the power of n minus 1. Okay, this is general form of geometric progression. So here the sum of n terms of the geometric progression is Sn is equal a of 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Here two conditions are there, that is r is less than 1, next r is greater than 1, that is a of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, so here this is the sum of n terms. So this is the general form of geometric progression. So here the nth term is Tn, nth term of the GP is A into r to the power of n minus 1. Okay, next sum of infinity terms in GP is A by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. So this is the geometric progression. Okay, so progression means what? A sequence. In a sequence, the term means what? Elements, numbers, digits, that is called terms. A terms in a sequence, the terms having arranged like that. How it is like? A constant number is adding or subtract or multiply or divide its preceding term. Okay, that sequence is called progression. In this progression, how many types are there? 3 types are there. What are there? Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. Arithmetic progression means what? The common difference is same. A progression which having the common difference is same. What is called common difference? The difference between any two consecutive terms is same. Okay, that constant is called what? Common difference. The common difference is denoted by D. So the general form of arithmetic progression is what? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is called last term or nth term. Next, geometric progression. Geometric progression means what? A progression are arranged in order. The terms are arranged in order. How they are order? The common ratio is same. So what is called common ratio? The ratio between any two consecutive terms. Consecutive means in a order, particular order. Okay, consecutive terms is constant. Okay, that constant is called common ratio. The common ratio is denoted by R. Okay, so the general form of geometric progression is AR square and so on, AR to the power of n minus 1. So this is called nth term. So here sum of n terms in AP arithmetic progression is Sn is equal n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or Sn is equal n by 2 of first term plus last term. So the sum of n terms in a GP is Sn is equal to A of 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r is less than 1, r is greater than 1, A of r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. R is what? Common ratio. Thank you.